Okay, I am back. So I have some notes here. So in case I'm looking down, I don't want you to think I'm ignoring you, but I want to make sure I cover everything that is important. So we are going to talk about what this ditching and switching is. And so you should have seen a link to download this ditching and switching sheet. This is going to be your BFF. This is going to help you walk through ways that you can simply replace items in your home. And so we want to talk about that. Out with the old, in with the new. So the old is familiar, the old is convenient, but the health and longevity of your family is of paramount importance, okay? We've identified the problems, okay? So now it's time to replace household toxins with alternatives that are not only safe, but play an active role in supporting our body systems as we work towards improved wellness and vitality. So many products that we could be using in our home are actually damaging our systems in our body. They're not helping us. So who wants good things going in that actually support that? So anyway, so ditch the toxic garbage and switch it out with Young Living products. Revamping your entire home may seem overwhelming, but use that form, guys, okay? The transfer buying, the ditch and switch form, you will want to use that. So take a look at the products that you and your family already use, okay? We have a ton of them. we all do. We have a ton of products that we use. So you'll likely identify unsafe products that you spend money on every single month. We're going to show you how to transfer that money to upgrade healthy alternatives. That's what we want. So this is referred to transfer buying. So use your sheet. So it's all about baby steps, okay? Getting started. So if you're feeling like, oh my gosh, this is something that I need to be worried about, here is how you can start. So first of all, if you aren't already a member with Young Living, we want to get that taken care of because that is where you're going to have the greatest access to the best essential oils on the planet and all of the benefits that come with a Young Living membership. It's a game changer. So having a monthly wellness box delivered to your home, that's an option, but for me, it is a non-option. I love that, not having to go to the store. So if you're not familiar with the Young Living membership, make sure that you reach out to the person that invited you to this class because they are the ones that cared enough to invite you and they're going to be able to help you. So, and we will share a little bit more information about that as well. So you can also check out a 30-day home detox plan. I will share that link with you as well. So you can look at ways that you can change things up in your house. So if you are a member of Young Living, you want to make sure you're an Essential Rewards program participant. So we'll go into that later, but you want to make sure that you are getting the best value. Who loves value? I'm a frugal shopper, guys. I want the best for my family, but I'm a frugal shopper, and that is the best way to do that. So, and then spread the word. This important information is not to be kept secret. So when you have knowledge that you know could benefit other people, you want to be able to share that. So when you share that and link arms with somebody else, it is amazing how we can do that. So we're going to cover some other things and you will be blown away, honestly, because like I said, when I went through this material, I was blown away. So we are going to talk about step 2 when it comes to replacing the toxic things in your home with safe and healthy alternatives. We want the Young Living Seed to Seal promise. That's what makes it super simple. There's no need to stress over the ingredients and confusing labels. Like I don't want to have to sit there reading labels and trying to pronounce things. So I can trust Young Living. We own our own farms. We have global farms all over the world. We have partner farms. We know what happens with products from the time that a plant is put into the ground as a seed all the way till it's packaged in some type of bottle, whether it's essential oils, cleaner, cough drops, whatever. And that there's a lot to be said for that. So we're going to jump in and I want to talk to you about one of the most popular things that you could ditch right off the beginning, which is your cleaner. We have household cleaner, the Thieves household cleaner, which is amazing. So when you think about cleaners, like I used to clean houses for a living when I was a single mom. And there were days that my body would ache so bad from inhaling all of the chemicals and using them on my hands and all of that. So I know that there's other people that can relate to that. You know, when we've went in and used some kind of cleaners and then inhaling that, you get a scratchy, itchy throat. You could feel lightheaded. There's a lot of things to that. There's warnings on these labels for a reason. So you need to wear a glove and a mask. That's, you know, why. So we want to ditch those cleaners and use something that's all natural, that you don't have to use gloves and a mask, that you actually will enjoy smelling. So this one is amazing. It will cost you around $1. Okay, did you hear me? $1 to mix up a spray bottle, because this is concentrated. So this bottle here, I think it wholesales for around $22. It will make many bottles, and which work out to be about $1 a piece, so that you can use this around your home. Great for using around kids, great for using around pets. You don't have to worry anymore. Cleans every surface, counter, floors, windows, mirrors, all of it. It's amazing. So people have been using it cleaning carpets, all kinds of stuff. So you want to do it. So what is Thieves? People wonder, like, what is Thieves? That's kind of an interesting name. It is an interesting name. It's actually one of Young Living's most popular oil blends, and they've combined it into a cleaner. And we have actually an entire line of products that are made with the Thieves oil blend, which is a spicy blend of clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, and eucalyptus oil. So when you blend this together like Young Living has done, this special blend of oils packs quite a punch. So you can imagine it smells really amazing. So eucalyptus, lemon, clove, yeah, I want that smell coming in my nose for sure, not the icky other cleaners that I used to use. So, and we have Thieves essential oil, which is also amazing. So great stuff with the cleaner, guys. So we're going to talk about some other things here in just a sec.